If you're currently thinking of investing in Hostinger, you are making a good decision. However, there is a way to buy from Hostinger that you can save a lot of money. Many people don't know this, but I want to show you exactly how to get that done. Right on my screen here is hostinger.com, and as at the time I am filming this video, Hostinger currently sells for $2.99 per month plus 3 months free. So how can you get this? This offer is not for everyone. As a matter of fact, I will show you how you can even invest Hostinger pay quite lesser than this. For you to be able to do this, you can check the video description to see a link to Hostinger. It's an affiliate link. Hostinger gets to pay me a certain commission for recommending you. I will appreciate you if you can support me and support my channel this way. That will be a huge support coming from you, and I will appreciate it so much. Also, in the video description, you will see a coupon code which I will show you exactly how to use to get this further slashed down. Obviously, the easiest way for you to get started is by just coming here to hit this claim deal button, and it brings you down here where you have 3 hosting plans for you to choose. I always recommend that you can start with the premium hosting. However, they say the business hosting is the most popular. The premium plan, in my opinion, is good enough for you to start. So you can just toggle this to come to the premium. Then you can see that you have the opportunity to start for as low as $2.99 per month, and then you have 3 months free as well. The good thing about this premium web hosting is that you have access to standard performance. Most importantly, you will get a free domain, and you can see it is valued at $9.99. That's very good. Free email, unlimited bandwidth. However, you are limited. Nothing is unlimited in that sense. It says that you can upload up to 100 websites, but quite frankly, in all honesty, yes, it will allow you to upload up to 100 websites, but you don't have enough resources to cater for 100 websites. 100 website is not small. It's not 10. It's not 20. It's 100. 100 is 100. My goodness. You really don't expect to upload up to 100 websites on this hosting plan. So to continue this tutorial, before we even choose any hosting plan here, Hostinger literally took away the single web hosting, which allows you just upload just one website. It used to be available if you come to their hosting and then you come to web hosting. You should be able to see before Hostinger allows you to do that. But right now, you'll see they literally took this away. So you have these 3 here. But there is this URL is still existing and you can still buy it. It's now called the cheap web hosting, where you can buy as low as $1.99. And if you come down here, you will see that now we now have this single web hosting plan here that we can invest in. Now here it says the premium now is the most popular. So you can see before it was business, now it's premium. But you can see that's how it works. It's just business. I want to even just show you how you can get the best deal. So in case you want to just host one website, maybe that website is just an experimental website. Maybe you don't even need a free domain because this doesn't come with a free domain apparently. You can only host just one website to that account. You still get your free backup on limited SSL, so you may want to consider the single web host. But I really don't recommend this really. Why buy an hosting account that you can have as many websites as possible? You never can tell. You may just want to have a website right now. You don't know if tomorrow you will need to just create another website, or you might need to just have to buy another hosting account for that. So right now, if you really want to invest in just one website, I can leave a link in the video description for you to come to this cheap web hosting. Again, it's literally up to you, but I would recommend that you go for their premium web hosting. So if you come down here or here, either way, you can just come to their, you can toggle this to their premium web hosting, and then you had this card. That's not everything. I'm still going to show you how you can still get the best out of Hostinger. Now we are brought to this place where we need to choose a period, choose a billing cycle, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky and complex if you don't know what you're doing. If you come down here, you would see that apparently the 48 months plan is the only plan right now that gives you access to $2.99. So you can see here, 48 months plan, you buy for $2.99, but you can say, okay, what's the difference? 2.99, 3.09, 3.19. There is really no difference. So I can as well invest in a 3.09 for 24 months. Well, let me just invest for 12 months for 3.19. What's the difference between this and this? there is a lot of difference. First, let's say 2.99 per month, you get 3 months free. That's you getting a plan that will take you for 51 months. That's a lot of time. And another thing I need you to consider here is their renewal price. That's very, very key when you are buying from Hostinga or any hosting company out there. All hosting plans out there have something called an entry fee. They make it as easy as possible for you to enter, and then they start billing you high crazily at your next billing set. That's how it works. One thing I always recommend for my clients or anybody around me is make sure that you invest as long as possible before you get to your next billing cycle. That's very, very key. Just come down here and see what it says that this plan renews at 7.99 per month. This renews at 8.99 per month. This renews at 9.99 per month. When you are about to renew, you see the difference when they start billing you this amount every month. That's it. So if you want to invest in a yearly plan right now for a year or 2 or 3, with a 9.99, that's a lot of money. But if you want to invest for 7.99 for yearly, maybe a year or 2 or 3, it's a lot cheaper. The money gets significantly cheaper when you invest in a yearly plan. You see the difference between these little figures. So I always recommend for you to invest as long as possible as you possibly can. So if you come down here, you would see that with this link now, you've been able to save yourself a lot of money. Ideally, you should be paying $557.52 for this time, in 51 months, but you have gotten $432 off. So right now, what you should be paying is $143.52 for a 51 months plan. And here again, if you use my coupon code like I mentioned earlier, which is called DAPS, and you apply, you get a further slash down, so you can see now you are paying just $129.17. Trust me, this is the best deal you can get from Hostinga out there. It significantly get better if you invest on a long term and also if you use my coupon code. And finally, you might also be paying some taxes based on your location. But for my location, I am tax-free. So in case you're watching from a country where you are supposed to pay tax, we might say a little bit more tax for you to pay over this amount. So if you change your plan from a 48 months plan now to 24 months plan, let's scroll down and let's see what we have. So you can see you're just paying $66.74 for a 2 years plan. So what you can do right now here is for you to select a payment method, a credit card, a PayPal, whatever is convenient for you. You can come down here and put your card details if you're selecting a card, or if you're selecting PayPal, you can just literally just submit a payment and it will be directed to PayPal for you to check out. Other options here like your name, first name, phone number, all these things are optional. It's literally up to you. If you want to fill that, you can check out right now. You can fill that eventually later inside of Hostinga. That's literally how super simple it is for you to get the best deal on Hostinga right now. And finally, if you want to see a step-by-step guide how to onboard inside of Hostinga, some of the settings you need to make inside of Hostinga, also how you can set up a WordPress website literally for free, a premium website, any kind of website you want to make, I have a tutorial already on that, and you will see that tutorial right now on the screen. If you also want to see a tutorial on how to set up using Hostinga AI Builder, I also have a tutorial on that on this channel. You will see it on the screen. You can also check the video description right now for you to see that same tutorial. That's my time. Thank you for watching. If you find this video super useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see more awesome tutorials like this from me. I'll see you in another tutorial. Until then, stay safe.